Hello friends, Angela here and welcome back to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video, I'll be painting a seascape, and it's going to be a really simple painting. It won't take very long, mostly blues, and yeah, so it's gonna be a sunset seascape. And please watch all the way to the end to see the final result. And yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing to visit my channel today and see all these awesome videos that are on my channel. And thank you for your continued support and watching my videos. So keep watching, and again thank you, and I will see you towards the end of the video and show you the final results. There's not gonna be a whole lot of talking in because it's really pretty simple painting, so just watch and follow along, and I'll talk with you in a little bit. I will also time-lapse the video, the process, not too much though, because I want you to be able to still follow along. So some parts will be only two times time-lapsed, sometimes 4, but it's not gonna be too fast, so I want you to follow along. And if you want to if you miss some parts, you can always go back to them to watch, or you can try to set your speed to a little bit slower. But I'm just doing this for the sake of time, saving time, and sometimes the process takes so long and we're just doing the same thing, so that's why I like to time lapse just a little bit sometimes, not all the time though, because I like my videos for people to be able to follow along with what I'm doing, in case you want to learn the technique. So here's the final results, guys. I ended up adding a little bit of Naples yellow hue by Liquitex Basics. It's on the sand on the beach area because it was too red. As you can see previously, I wanted it to match, you know, to look more like beach. So I added, I brushed just a little bit of that Naples yellow hue, and I think it looks fantastic now. It's beautiful. So what do you guys think? Please leave me a comment. Let me know if this is something that you would like to attempt to paint. It's actually really simple to paint. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching. And please comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.